Alright, this will be the last lesson for Unit 2, 2.19. After this, we'll be writing our informational / expository / explanatory essay. So our goals for today: analyze and summarize the main ideas in the text, apply reading strategies to an autobiography, and use textual evidence to respond to a writing prompt. It says here there's going to be some clips about Temple Grandin. I'm going to include the movie trailer and an interview with the real Temple Grandin. So hopefully you'll be able to tell the difference. As you watch both of them, it says record descriptions, events, and observations on the left side. So do a double entry journal kind of style here. So on the left side, anything you observe or the things that happen, so it's like normal taking notes thing. And on the right side, add your questions, connections, predictions, responses, and commentary on the right side. So any questions you might have, if you know somebody with autism, predictions that if we watched another video, what do you think would it be about her? Okay. Number 1 says, write a thesis statement about the film Temple Grandin. Be sure to include the topic and an opinion. Alright, so this is all of the review strategies that we've done so far. Go ahead and take a second and put an X wherever you are in this strategy. So I'm still getting familiar, I'm comfortable, and I'm ready to use with a little help, or I'm ready to use this on my own. So if you forgot, you can go back through the text. So chunking the text, that means breaking it up into groups to help you analyze a larger piece. Using context clues, marking the text, which we've done a bunch. Questioning the text. Anytime you come up with a question, you just throw that in the margin or in the My Notes section. Using graphic organizers, summarizing, and double entry journals, which we have right above, right up here. That's a double entry journal. Okay, so go ahead and put how comfortable you are with it. This is just a self-analysis there. Number 3 says choose 2 of these strategies to help you make meaning of the text you will read next. So if you want to use context clues, if you want to use a graphic organizer, if you want to summarize, okay, choose, and you're going to put which 2 of those strategies you're going to use as we read the next little excerpt from her autobiography here, for Animals in Translation. Okay, so go ahead and pause while you read, and then unpause after you are done. Alright, number 1 says, how does paragraph 2 contribute to the development of the text? Number 2, how does Grandin change as a result of her new school? She had lots of changes when she went to the boarding school. How is this change explained in the text? Number 3, what evidence from the text supports the idea that Grandin loved the saddle her mom gave her? So textual evidence to support this topic there. Number 4, what does Grandin mean by saying, animals kept me going? What evidence from the text supports your inference? Then there's another short reading excerpt. Number 5 here, after you read it. What is the author's point of view about Grandin's autism? How is the point of view conveyed in the text? Compare the 2 passages, noticing that they both talk about Temple's relationship to horses and their importance in her life. Which of the 2 selections give you more insight into the significance of this experience? Give textual evidence to show why you think this. And then we're not going to do this explanatory text writing thing at the end, so just focus on answering questions 1 through 6 and making sure you're thinking about those different word reading strategies that we've talked about so far in other Springboard lessons. All right, thanks.